Alright, well, here is the continuation to our data structures course. Here we will do a stack. So, just a quick overview, a stack is a first in, first out, or sorry, last in, first out. So, think of it as the stack of dishes, right? I have a dish and then I stack one on top of it, and then I stack another one on top of it. When I want to get the one below the first dish, I have to remove the one that I just put, then the second one, and then the third one. So we will do this in Python now. So let's start with defining our overall stack here. And what we will do is we will also inherit from the object class. And again, we will start with the constructor, which is init. So inherit from self, and self.items equals. Okay, so that's gonna be our stack of dishes. And now we actually need the representation of the stack in the string notation again. We use self here, and we're gonna return we will return actually for item. Let's see, we want to have this inside of actually the stack of dishes goes this, and what we want to do, we actually don't need to do that. We can just say something similar to this. Okay, so we have to return str string representation, and then self data. We have to do something like this, where we join. So we can do join and then want to do self dot items like that, and that should be it for this representation. Alright, so first things first, we want to be able to kind of put a dish in there, right, in our stack. So we want to have an item in our stack, and the way we do that is we create a function where we can add kind of our item here, and we go straight into it. We want to do append, and we want to append the item, like so. Alright, so the next thing to do here is okay, so we also want to be able to pop, right? That's remove the dish. So we do that here, and we do self. Let's see, how do we do this? We wanna. Oh, actually, yeah. So inside of Python, when you have a list, the list actually already implements a similar feature. So we're gonna kind of cheat here. We're gonna say self.item items.pop, right? So we're gonna pop it out there, and then that should return that. And let's see, do do some other stuff here as well. This is the basic ones, but we want to get, let's see, why don't we return the top? So this will remove, I believe, if I am clear. Let me just make sure here. Remove. Okay, yeah, so it does. Alright, so this will remove the item, but what if we just want to see the top? So we gotta do define top, and we can do self right this, and we can do first we want to check if self dot items, I believe, let me double check here, actually, if you can see this top part. I just realized my face is covering the console, but let me just make sure. Okay, you can see this portion here. So if I were to have, let's say, items equals this. Where was I going with this actually? Oh yeah, if it is empty, so items, so if items print hi, actually that's, what is that doing, weird stuff there? Okay, there you go. Items is okay, so yeah, that doesn't print anything. So here, if there is something in here, we want to actually just return the last item that was appended. So here, what we're doing is we're returning the self.items, and we want to do the top one, so we do the next one. Okay, and that should be it for this one. So what are some other functions inside of a stack? Let's take a look. See what other thing. Stack. Alright, push pop we did. Let's see. Okay, let's see here. It might have a point, right? Java point. We're doing Python, but hey. Alright, let's see. Prefix notation. Wait, is this correct thing? What's going on here? Stack of plates. Well, okay. Stacks and evaluated expression by tracking. Oh, yeah, these are just applications. Alright. We will discuss that in a future lesson. But here, where is this saying? So actually here, let's just see if they have something. Oh my god. Okay. Alright. So what about, so the push, the pop, the peak. So that's the top. So this would be peak. Oh, it's full is a good one. Stack's empty. Wait a second. this can't be correct. Is full function is used to check whether or not a stack is empty. They're both doing the same thing. What is going on here? Let me see. Well, that's usually if there's a max. So if we can't, so let's say our stack only can contain 10 items, and we would do that. So how about is empty? Let's do is empty. So it's kind of easy. Self. All right. Return self. Actually, there's a way of checking. I think there's a way of doing this where we. Alright, I'm just gonna go the other way. Let me see. Alright, well, if we want to return true, return false, like that. Alright. And now we're gonna want to test this here. So we're gonna define a stack. So stack. Again, I will make a separate video for this lecture series so that we have different notations and different functions for these stacks. So that would be the more advanced version. I will start working on those next week. So hopefully this week we will just focus on the basic fundamental of each data structure covered in most CS data structure classes. So here I want to do stack. So we're defining here our stack, right? Initialize to nothing, but I want to push strings. I want to say my stack, my stack dot push. I want to push again, maybe just working with strings, they're kind of easier to see. And we want to select this here. Whoops. Select that there. We just say hi and bye. Now I want to print my stack. And my stack. Alright, and if we run this, let's wait a second. So I guess, item, where is that? Push. Oh, wait a second. Self.items. Oh, come on. Okay, this is our stack.py. Alright. Let's go. There you go. That's our stack. So we're appending. So by would be the top one. So if we then my stack pop. I'm gonna go ahead and print this here. And again, this is just to signify. This is moving the top of the stack. So that should return by. Let's see. Okay, again with the item. Or did I do that? Pop. Oh wait, we don't need item here. So pop, just tap one, if I am not mistaken. Pop, pop. Yep, there you go. There you go. So now if I print my stack again, I will see. Okay, so we have high by as a stack. We remove by, and high is left. Alright, so that would be it as far as the stack intro. We will then go to a couple more algorithms, and then we should have our advanced series. Alright, thanks for watching.